Hi guys, Tantan Santiago of Sorted Finds by Jenny. Alright, so for this video, we will be unboxing Coop. some may call it Coop, pero proper way to pronounce this word is Coop. Alright, so ito siya. Wala akong sealed for now kasi sold out siya. Ayan siya. It says here for ages 13 and up to 6 players, playing times around 15 minutes. Okay, so we will now open the box. Yung sealed nito, pagkabukas nyo, itong coins nya nakalagay siya sa isang thick card, then kayo magbabaklas nito. Okay, ito yung parang pera sa game. Okay, ito yung cards. I believe wala siyang manual na naka-separate na parang paper, pero naka-include siya dito like this. By the way, card is in Chinese. Alright, so ito yung manual niya. And then I think hindi rin naman ginagamit tong cards na to kasi yung kapatid ko naglalaro nito, hindi naman daw ginagamit tong set na to. Right. So yung usual na ginagamit dito is yung pera and yung character cards and this one. So ito yung tinatawag nilang, ito yung ginagamit pagkampihan pero hindi rin siya usually ginagamit. Okay, pinaka ginagamit is this one and yung mga pera. Ito, parang expansion siya pagka magkakampihan ata kayo. So, baligtaran tong card na to. Team Reformist and Team Loyalist. Okay. And then yung character cards. Alright, pakita natin yung quality ng cards. As you can see. Alright, so you can purchase cards on our account sa Shopee. Dylan Ira, DYLANIRA, Tantan Santiago, and Pillion Fox. That's ILEONFOX.